Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel yet again. Okay, so it is time again to take these cornrows down. I've had these cornrows in for 2 weeks, but technically it's been a week and 6 days. So tomorrow marks 2 weeks exactly, but I'm just ready to get these cornrows out so I can do something else with my hair. You know, I'm just trying to do something cute because, you know, wearing cornrows all the time really is not that cute. But before we get too far into this video, if this is your first time finding my channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the notification bell so you're alerted whenever I post a new video. Okay, so what I'm going to go ahead and do is just show you guys what these cornrows are looking like so far. Then we're going to get into the products that I've been using on my hair during this 2-week process. So pretty much this is what the cornrows look like. And y'all, this has only been 2 weeks and this is what my hair is looking like. I'm thinking this is a good amount of new growth. And y'all pretty much saw how tight I braided these cornrows about probably 3 videos ago. So you know that I braided these braids pretty sturdy. So this is new growth and it's been 2 weeks. Alright, so that is what the cornrows are looking like. I'm kind of excited to take these down just to kind of give myself a length check to see how much my hair has grown since I put these in. But I'm just going to go ahead and run through the products that I have been using on my hair. So pretty much I've only been using the rice water, golden hair rice water kit. This is what it looks like. I need to go ahead and make another one. I've been using a lot of this, and I have been using the Wild Grow hair oil. So I've been using these mixed together. So what I would do is just oil my scalp with this and then use the rice water and spray my hair down and spray my scalp down over this. And that's it, y'all. That's pretty much all I've been doing to my hair, and just keeping a wig on it or keeping my hair in a bonnet or a scarf, stuff like that. Really simple, slight work, and yeah, that's pretty much it. If you do want to purchase this rice water kit, it will be linked down below for you guys. It smells so this smells so good. I just honestly can't believe it. Like, this is made with all natural ingredients, so no chemicals. All right. And this, I like how this smells too. It doesn't have like a fruity smell or anything, but I don't know, I don't know why I like the way this smells, but I kind of like how this smells too. And this is the Wild Growth hair oil. So the beauty supply store that I went to, this is on sale for $4.99, but usually this bottle is about $8.99, or that's what the store said. So yeah, y'all, if you can find somewhere that it's on sale, go get it. So yeah, let's go ahead and just take these braids down really quickly. I'm gonna put a little bit of oil on my fingers because I can tell my hair is just a little bit, just getting a little bit tangled. So we're just gonna take these down. And y'all, for my next style, I'm thinking about doing crochets on my hair. So yeah, I'm really thinking about that. I think that'd be pretty cute. I've never done crochets before, but I've already bought the hair, and that's just another way for me to like wear my cornrows, but it still be cute and I can still get to my scalp. So yeah, and don't mind my robe, y'all. I didn't feel like finding anything to wear today, so I just put a robe on instead. I'm just gonna call this a day, okay? A really chill cornrow takedown video. My hair feels really moisturized, like really moisturized. I think I did about 6 braids or 7, one of the two. So yeah, this isn't gonna be like a long drawn out video. It's probably gonna be about 10 minutes, and that is it. I try to make my videos at least 10 minutes long, so yeah, that's gonna be it for this one. Let's just take this out, because right after this I have to I'm going to braid my hair right back up to put those crochets in it. I'm not about to be washing my hair because I literally only had these braids in for 2 weeks. If you think that's gross, I'm so sorry, but I don't really care. And on top of that, when I put the cornrows in last week, I technically did like a co-wash on my hair, so I'm not tripping. I feel like my hair is good. I just wanted to take these braids out and see what my length was, and I didn't want to put the crochet over these braids because I want to have a little bit of leave out. So what I'm gonna do is part my hair where I want the leave out and everything, and probably leave out the perimeter a little bit, and then I'll put the crochet in. And I just wanted like fresh braids for that because these are already really frizzy. So I feel like my hair has grown, but we will see when I compare it to the video that I did 2 weeks ago when I was taking these braids down. So we'll see if my hair grew any. But so far, my hair is feeling really, really moisturized. I think it has, well, I do know it has something to do with the rice water and this oil, because I know the rice water does add a lot of shine to my hair. But this time when I'm taking these braids out, it does feel more like oily, because I have been using a good amount of the Wild Grow hair oils. So we about to see what's really going on with this length and everything. And I'm probably gonna fast forward through this because I don't want this video to be too long. So let me go ahead and I'm gonna go ahead and turn the camera off, and then when I finish taking these braids out, I will come back to you guys. Alright, so I went ahead and took out all of the cornrows. Now what I'm going to do is just do a quick length check. This is what it's looking like. Let's go ahead and do this length check really quickly. Let me do the top first. Let's see. This is what we have in the front. Yeah, so I thought I was filming my length check this whole time, but my camera ran out of space. So one more time, shall we? I don't really know. I guess I kind of left off where I was doing the side. I'm going to just start from there and do the side all over again. I got the front part, but here we go. Here's the length check. So this is the side portion. I honestly think my hair is the longest in the middle, but let's go ahead and hit this freaking length check real quick. All right. My hair is very greasy. It's gotten all over my robe, so now I gotta wash this thing. So let's go ahead and do this side. I think I'm just about to change my shirt because this is not about to work for me. Let me go ahead and change my shirt real quick. Let's do that again. Let's go ahead and get the side. This counts as the side, right? All right. All right, that's the side. Let's do the back. I'm thinking about straightening my hair too. What do y'all think? Like, I really want to straighten it just to see like how long it looks. And I know I need to trim my ends, so I want to do that too. So let's see. Alright, so that is pretty much it for this video and for this length check. I just wanted to go ahead and do this length check to go ahead and compare it to the photos from 2 weeks ago. So you guys let me know, what do you think? Did it grow? Did it not grow? Are you noticing a difference? I can't tell yet because I haven't seen the pictures that I took since last week. So when I edit, I'll go ahead and compare the two and let you guys know my thoughts on the 2-week process and this rice water and all of that stuff. But I feel like my hair has grown, but I can't say until I see the pictures compared to the other pictures. So yeah, that is pretty much it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching my channel. Like, comment, subscribe if you have not already, and I will see you guys next time in my next video. So bye-bye. Hey guys, so I'm trying something new out with my content. So if you made it to the end of this video, you are definitely a trooper, and I thank you guys so much, so much for your comments and your support. Like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys next time in my next video.